alegría, ha nacido el Redentor. De oriente salen de reyes para adorar al Dios niño y una estrella le guía.
Welcome to my salon today with Tassia Holiday. Hi. And we're gonna show you a beautiful, crazy hand flick combination, okay? So we start, it's a 10 combo, okay? We start with the basic, which is probably the easiest one. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now comes the first hand flick, which is 1, 2, 3, beautiful, and catch on 5. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5. Okay? Make sure, ladies. Okay? Now, 5, I give an inside turn. And from here, I throw this hand down. Just down, that's it. This is our 1. So, 1, 2, and I catch it on 5. Now, 5, and on 6 I show this hand. So it's 5, 6. So I turn, so usually this could be, I could finish here, so it's just a cross body. But from here, I turn her to the left, okay? So I'm in this position. Really, really important is, guys, that you go with her, okay? Let's do it one more time after the second hand flick, which is 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And from here I'm on her left. And from here I prepare her in this direction. So connections like that, still here, wrap. And now I turn her clockwise. So I do 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6. And this hand now here is like that, okay, over her elbow. And from here I put a little pressure, I release that hand here, and I do 1, okay? Let's do it one more time from here. So, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Check how she is. And 1, 2, 3. I go out of her way. I put that hand here now over her shoulder. I leave it, and I give her an inside turn again. Easy. Let's do it one more time from the beginning, from the top. You got the half, I think. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Catch on 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Oh shit. Ooh. Let's do it from here. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7, and 1. Alright, from here we go into 1, 2, 3. I change my hand. Please, guys, don't change hands like this. I always say that. So always look aesthetic and cool. Like me. So we do 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Now she's side to side. We go into 1, 2, 3. Connection is like that, ladies and gentlemen, palm to palm, really easy. I give her enough space, don't do like this, okay? So Tassia has always enough space, you can control that as a leader, as a follower. We have done a video for that. Now from here we do 1, 2, 3, and now we give a turn clockwise with my right, and check, this hand goes overhead as well. And now Tassia brings her hand a little bit down so she can slap on it, okay? Let's do an example like this, okay? So see, always make sure that we are connected again. So ladies, the leading hand is up, okay? And the other one is just clapping, you know? So let's do it from here so you can see better. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Playing that. Okay, we do 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I could continue, of course, but we don't do. One more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now we are in this position. Okay, hands are like that. And now I do 1 and 2. That's it. Okay, so 1, catch. This is the exercise you can do. Rum, bum, bum, diddle, bum, bum. Okay? If I want the hand goes in behind her back, then I need to throw it like this. It's different. But we throw it down. Always down, make sure. Catch. You see how that works? It's beautiful. Okay? So
Verbindung mit Daniel Rosas hergestellt.
always when Tassia is here, she's jealous. So, once more, we throw it on 1 and 2, catch, catch. One more time. Let's do it from this direction. So, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 or 5, yeah? So, it depends. Sometimes I always throw it on 1, sometimes I throw this on 3, but important is 4 and 5. At least on 5 you need to have this hand, otherwise it doesn't work, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kind of, okay? So from here, we lead her into a Titanic, okay? Like the movie. And we do 5, 6, and 7 palm to palm. Be close to her. You can cross forward or back. I think, crossing back. We go 1, 2, give a right turn or clockwise. And 5, 6, and 7. So it's a reverse crossbody. Let's do it one more time. From here, we are here now 7 or 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now I prepare myself to 1, I turn clockwise, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and here I have time if I want to, and connect it with that, okay? And then from here we start the same thing, okay?
Okay.
Do you like it? Write in the comment if you like it, or if you like it not too much. So let's do it from the top, okay? 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hello, madame.
Oh.
Tassia. 1, 2. Okay?
Yes.
That's
Thank
it.
you.
If you're interested in more content, check my online classes here. You get 3 days. This is 4 days. You got 3 days free trial. Do whatever you want to, okay? Alright, now we do it the same thing but in the romantic way, okay? So, other music. The other one, can you write in the comment if you liked the music before? I just want to love to know that, okay? So, alright, so now mi casa tu casa. Opa. It was easy, right?
Para tu corazón hice una casa, la he diseñado pensando en ti. Está llena de luz y en sus rincones flores en versos, nace un jardín. Para tu corazón escribí esta canción y quiero que la cantes para mí. Dime que sí, que hasta las flores y el sol de la mañana preguntan por ti. Para tu amor yo construí un hogar espera solo por ti.
So guys, if you're interested in making a puzzle, I was buying a puzzle. It's a puzzle.
And I'm addicted.
Just in case, I put a link below where you can buy this. Let's go. Did you fought?